My dear students, good evening to everybody. I am Mathukumal Chandrasekhar Rao, a senior lecturer in chemistry, AP Tribal Welfare Residential Junior College, Srikalahasti. Just, I am very happy to inform you, our HRD Minister, Honorable HRD Minister, Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank Modi, our Honorable Prime Minister and Honorable HRD Minister, they have taken a very bold initiative. What is that? Our HRD Minister has taken a very wise decision, that is to scrap the 75% ceiling of board marks. Here afterwards, actually, one has to clear JEE mains. Besides clear JEE mains, he has to qualify at least 75 marks in board examinations. So one has to achieve 75 marks besides got through JEE mains. But last year, due to heavy COVID pandemic, the system was abolished. This year also, just our Honorable Minister has announced 20 minutes back, this year also the same system will continue. HRD Minister has announced that hereafterwards there is no need to bother about board marks. In our AP, there is no need to bother intermediate marks. CBSE, ICSE, there is no question of 12th board marks. Mere passing is enough. Mere passing is enough to appear the JEE advanced, IIT advanced examinations. If you clear the JEE mains, if you are in the topmost, that is 2.5 lakh people have been allowed to appear the IIT advanced examinations. Lakhs of people are going to appear JEE mains examination, but among lakhs of people, according to reservation pattern, on the base reservation pattern, National Testing Agency this year will select 2.5 lakhs people among lakhs of people. I think 15-16 lakhs people are going to appear JEE main. Among 15-16 lakhs people, our testing agency will select 2.5 lakhs people. They are eligible to appear IIT advanced examination. Here there is no count for board marks. Here there is no compulsory board marks cap, that is 75%. So one has to pass the intermediate board or +2 grade, that is enough. One has to pass the intermediate examination, that is enough. One has to pass the CBSE 12th grade examination, that is enough. So, the IIT Kharagpur has decided to conduct this test on July 3rd, 2021. July 3rd, 2021. 3rd, 2021. So, I think our HRD minister has given a much time after completion of May exam, June. So we have a more than 50 days of time to appear the IIT advanced examinations. So a big relief to the students community. So here afterwards they may pay much attention towards the IIT only, towards the mathematics, towards the physics, towards the chemistry, to achieve good marks, to crack the IIT JEE mains or IIT advanced examinations. They don't need to bother about the board marks. Hereafterwards, they will pay full time regarding IIT or JEE main examinations. If they crack the JEE mains, definitely they will go to the IIT Advanced, they will get eligibility to appear the IIT Advanced examinations. So 75% marks ceiling has been scrapped by our HRD ministry. So a very major big relief to the students community. Last time JEE main 2 times they have appeared. This time was double, that is 4 times. That is one of the major change, major initiative taken by the HRD ministry and Honorable Prime Minister and HRD Minister. At the same time, another relief is scrapping of 75% ceiling, 70% securing marks in board examinations. So one has to pass the board exams, that is enough to appear the IIT Advanced examinations. If he clears the JEE mains examinations, directly he can appear the IIT Advanced examinations. There is no need to bother about board exams. So my humble request, my humble appeal to all the students communities to pay much attention hereafter from February onwards. They have to focus on mathematics, physics, chemistry exams. So then definitely they can fulfill their dream. Their dream may come true. So they have to work hard from today onwards. At the same time, paper 1, paper 2, advanced, JEE advanced, paper 1, paper 2. This consists of 2 types, paper 1, paper 2. Paper 1, maths, physics, chemistry. Paper 2, maths, physics, chemistry. But this is the toughest examination in the country. I think I am not going to say this country, in this world. Country's highest, toughest examination, that is IIT. So, in these examinations, they will test the candidate's comprehensive ability, reasoning ability, analytical thinking. So, multiple choice. One question may have 4 answers. So, each and every aspect, that test will decide the fate of the individual. So, deep depth we have to go, we have to study. So there is no need to bother board exams. So one can pay much attention towards the IIT, JEE mains advanced, JEE mains exams, besides IIT advanced exams also. At the same time, last time because of COVID pandemic, some people who do not have any access to appear the JEE advanced examinations, our HRD ministry is very much pleased to allow those candidates also who did not appear the JEE advanced examinations because of during COVID pandemic. So persons who have cracked JEE main in 2020, they may have access to appear the IIT Advanced, which is going to be held in the month of July, 3rd July this year. So kindly keep it in mind. Students who belong to 2020 who cracked JEE main, they are eligible to appear the IIT Advanced this year. They don't want to need JEE mains this year. They can directly appear the IIT Advanced because of COVID pandemic. One thing I am going to say, many boards last time have scrapped the examination, have cut the examinations. So many boards have represented the HRD ministry to scrap the ceiling, that is 75% quota. This year also many boards have cut the syllabus. Some boards have 25%, some boards have 50%, they have cut the syllabus. Some boards have 75%, they have cut the syllabus. So this is the process. Some boards are in a dilemma because of pandemic. Still we are experiencing many COVID cases throughout India. Again COVID strain also is threatening us. So in these circumstances, HRD ministry has taken a bold initiative in the interest of the students, in the interest of the government sector people, in the interest of the people who do not have any access. So they have taken a very right decision, that is appearing JEE mains for 4 times is the one option. Second is students need not bother about the board exam, second decision. So this is the biggest relief. Many boards have represented the HRD ministry, they have considered. So for which one should not rely on board marks, one should not rely for practical examination marks. So they don't want to need any type of tensions, any agony, any panic regarding the board exams. Simply they can appear, pass is enough, mere pass is enough to complete to appear the JEE advanced exams. So I am very happy. I really congratulate Narendra Modi ji, bold, dynamic leadership in this issue. No doubt it is a students helping motive step. So I once again very much thankful to Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji and Honorable Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishant. So we must, students community must be indebted to both the Prime Minister and HRD Minister in this aspect. I am my sincere humble request appeal, being a senior, vast, experienced chemistry lecturer, I am telling you from today onwards, you put your maximum efforts to crack the JEE mains or JEE advanced with flying colors, with flying colors. Definitely, God will help you, God will save you. If you work hard, there is no secret of success except hard work. Hard work dominates intelligence. So, each and every question, I am also constant touch with you. Daily I am sending YouTube videos. Students who do not have any access, you please watch my videos. You post questions in description box. I am ready to answer it. I am ready to answer it. So whatever question you face regarding chemistry, I am ready to clarify any doubt. So my intention is somewhat I want to contribute to the students community. So because of my YouTube channel, definitely somewhat they may enrich chemistry subject in this engineering JEE mains and advanced exams. So I hope all the best. God bless you. Thank you.